This is Reggie with the Smoke of Solomon, and welcome to my very first YouTube video. Check me out. Today we're doing an unboxing. I got some new equipment that I wanted to share with you guys, and we're gonna take a look at it. Let's see what we got. All right, y'all, so what I picked up is a couple of things. I got a charcoal box for my smoker, and I also got what's called a baffle plate. And these came from bbqsmokermods.com. So if you want to check them out, please do so. So this here is my charcoal box. So I got this because, as you can see my little rig here, this is what came inside the firebox. As you can see, after a couple of cooks, it started to melt and deform and warp, or whatever you want to call it. So I decided to upgrade that. It actually is a little grill. It can be used as a little grill as well. So I've been using these grates as kind of a holdover until I was able to get this. So this fits right in there. Throw your charcoal and your wood in there. And it's very substantial. I think it's made out of expanded metal or steel, so it's very tough. So we'll see how that turns out. Okay, guys, so the second thing I bought is called a baffle plate. So let me just explain real quick what a baffle plate is. Came in two pieces, and I got some screws and brackets here. The company that made this is actually Lava Lock. So a baffle plate is more about heat distribution. So pardon my dust here. Just cooked a butterfly chicken on here last night, so I'm a little dirty, so pardon my dust. So a baffle plate is more about heat distribution. So this plate is going to come here and sit right there in the smoker. So what happens when you have an offset smoker like this, you have all of your heat here. This is where your charcoal and your wood and everything goes for your cook. That heat is going to travel through this hole here and flood the interior of your cooking chamber with the heat. Now, the heat tends to get a little intense over here because your fire is literally right here. Now these holes are here for your smoke output. So it's going to evenly distribute this heat all the way around here instead of concentrated right here. So once you do that, you'll get a more even temperature inside your smoke chamber, which allow for better food. Well, guys, that's it. I got my baffle plate, got my charcoal box. So hopefully that will improve my temperature distribution, and that will improve the overall product that I can put out. So only time will tell. Check back in with me and I'll let you guys know. In the meantime, go to my website, www.thesmokeofsolomon.com. We got recipes, We got how-tos, we got product reviews, the whole 9 yards. And you can check out a little bit about me. So www.thesmokeofsolomon.com. Check me out. Peace.